Hello friends, my name is Ravindra Gupta. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about revolving commands in AutoCAD. This command it basically used for all the drawings related to mechanical, electrical, civil, whatever. But this command is really very useful for the objects and mechanical objects. So let's start with the mechanical object. So today I'm going to make a object with the using of this revolving command. So I'm going to draw a line, another line which offset from 11 units, another offset from baseline 19 units, another offset from baseline it's 47 units, and last one offset it's 50 units. So now I'm going to draw a vertical line. Again, I'm going to take some offset of this line, vertical line. So first one is mm, 5 units in both left and right hand side. Next one is offset 19 units. One more offset I'm going to take 21 units from center towards left and right both. Now I'm going to trim some of lines which is not required. So let's start trim all those lines which not required. This also not required. This also I'm going to take so this is now some of still not required. So this is what we need. From here I am going to take uh, rotation of 97 degree. Sorry, 98 degree. So this looks like this. Now I'm going to move this here and this. Now I'm going to trim some points which not required. These not required, these not required, these also not required, these also not required, these also not required, these also not required, this also not required. Still some object which not required. I'm going to trim all those. This is not required. It's not required. It's not required. I'm going to take mirror of this line from the center. Now I am going to trim here also some object which is not required. This is now complete some mechanical structure. So this also not required, this also not required, this also not required. Now after this I am going to take a polyline of this structure, complete structure. So here I am going to start this point, but before that I am going to take some curves here. So I'm going to take fillet command with radius 2. Here again below also. Now let's do polyline command and this structure. So this is complete in boundary. What I have to do next, I have to do revolve using revolve command. So it will revolve through this axis. So now I am going to take revolve commands. Now I am going to choose this object and the axis of this, through this axis it will revolve. So you can see this is some structure. If I am going to through orbit, then you can see its real picture what we created. See, you can, this is what we want to make. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to leave a like and share. Thank you.